Okay, let's talk about the Redmi Note 15 5G for 11 years. This series has basically been the default choice for millions of people. But this time, it feels familiar. It's not trying to reinvent the wheel, it's just trying to be a really good wheel. Let's see if safe is actually what you need. First off, holding it, that feels nice. It is surprisingly thin, just 7.35 millimeters, and lighter than the old ones. The screen is a curved AMOLED running at 120Hz. Xiaomi claims it hits 3200 nits of peak brightness. In the real world, it's plenty bright for outdoor use, no complaints there. Now the camera, they've put in a new 108 megapixel Samsung sensor. It's got OIS, which is great for shaky hands, and it can shoot 4K video. Is it a DSLR replacement? No, but for your daily Instagram stories and vacation shots, it's sharp. The 3x in sensor zoom is actually a handy feature for portraits too. It gets the job done. Under the hood, we have the Snapdragon 6 Gen 3. It's not a flagship chip, guys. In benchmarks, you're looking at a score somewhere around 8.5 lakhs. It handles daily apps and multitasking fine, but don't expect pro level gaming performance. The battery though, that's solid. It's a 5520 milliamp hour unit. Combined with that processor, it's easily an all-day phone. And thankfully, they didn't strip away the basics. You still get the IR blaster, dual speakers with Dolby Atmos, and it ships with HyperOS 2 right out of the box. Plus, they're promising 4 years of Android updates. That is genuinely good for this price range. So the verdict? The Redmi Note 15 isn't exciting. It's not wild, but it's reliable. If you want a phone that just works for the next 3 or 4 years without drama, this is a safe bet. Is reliable enough for you, or do you want more excitement? Let me know in the comments.